Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete YouTube search history permanently. Friends, due to any reason, if you want to delete YouTube search history permanently, then you need to open YouTube app on your mobile phone. In your YouTube app, you need to press on the profile icon. Now here you need to press on settings. In settings, you need to press on manage all history. Now here in YouTube history, you need to press on delete. Now from the drop down list, you can select delete data for today, delete customized range, or delete all time. Now here you can select any option as per your requirement. If you want to delete today's search history, then you need to select delete today. If you want to delete a particular range of date, for example, if you want to delete search history from 10th August to 20th August 2023, then you need to select delete custom range. And if you want to delete all time history, then you need to select delete all time. So just to show you, I will select delete today. Now window will pop up to confirm your search history is deleted permanently. After reading it, press on OK. Now here as you can see, the search history of today is deleted from the list. So friends, like this you can very easily delete your YouTube search history permanently. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.